Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you all of my squishies. So let's get started. Okay, so first I have this pink swirl iceberg swirl needle. Second, I have my purple dumpling. Next, I have my orange dumpling. And now we have my yellow glitter dumpling. Then we have my orange iceberg swirl. And then I just have a regular ice cube needle. Nice cube needle. And that's all my squishies. So see you in another video. Goodbye everyone.